I'll guide you through setting up a Chime account on your smartphone or computer in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have these key details ready before applying. You must be at least 18 years old and have a valid U.S. residential address. P.O. boxes are not accepted. Your full legal name, date of birth, email address, and U.S. mobile phone number. Your SSN or ITIN for identity verification. To begin the registration process, download the Chime Mobile App from the App Store or Google Play, or visit chime.com. Tap Get Started and enter your full legal name, email address, and mobile phone number. Enter your residential address and create a strong password. Select whether you want to add an optional high-yield savings account alongside your checking account. Once approved, add your temporary virtual card to Apple Wallet or Google Pay to start using your account immediately while your physical debit card ships. Your physical Chime Visa debit card will arrive by mail in 7 to 10 business days. You can fund your account via direct deposit, linking an external bank account, or by depositing cash at participating retailers, including fee-free deposits at Walgreens. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.